Welcome to our presentation on the advantages of uPVC windows, brought to you by Reho Window Solutions. In recent years, uPVC windows have become the top choice for homeowners and builders alike, and today, we'll explore the key benefits of this innovative window solution. First and foremost, uPVC windows stand out for their exceptional energy efficiency. The design of the window frame is crucial in determining how well it insulates your home. Compared to traditional materials like aluminium and wood, uPVC window profiles offer superior insulation values, which can significantly reduce your energy consumption and heating costs. This becomes particularly important when considering passive house standards. Thanks to modern manufacturing techniques, high-performance uPVC windows equipped with single or double glazing are now both affordable and efficient, making energy savings accessible to more households. Another compelling advantage of uPVC windows is their outstanding cost-benefit ratio. From initial installation to long-term maintenance, these windows prove to be a cost-effective choice. Unlike timber frames, which can be 20 to 30% more expensive, or aluminum windows, which can cost less but offer no insulation benefits, uPVC profiles offer better performance at a lower price point. With their excellent thermal performance and minimal upkeep requirements, uPVC windows provide significant savings over their lifespan, which often exceeds 50 years. Moreover, the ease of maintenance associated with uPVC windows cannot be overlooked. High-quality uPVC is designed to withstand the elements, requiring little more than a simple wash with dish soap to maintain its appearance. In contrast, wooden windows often demand regular upkeep, such as glazing and painting, every few years. This factor simplifies your care routine and results in less hassle, allowing homeowners to enjoy their windows without the constant worry of upkeep. Durability is yet another benefit that uPVC windows bring to the table. Unlike wooden frames, which can bend or warp over time, high-quality uPVC windows maintain their shape and functionality, ensuring longevity and performance. With lifespans that can exceed half a century, choosing uPVC windows is an investment in durability, which helps preserve the value of your property. Lastly, uPVC windows contribute to an excellent ecological balance. As a resource-saving option, they are fully recyclable, aligning with modern environmental initiatives. Despite the significant energy consumed in heating buildings, only a small fraction is used in producing uPVC. By driving the circular economy and prioritizing energy efficiency, we are reducing waste, lowering energy consumption, and minimizing our environmental impact. In conclusion, uPVC windows deliver unmatched energy efficiency, affordability, low maintenance, remarkable durability, and an excellent ecological footprint. At Reho Window Solutions, we are dedicated to providing you with high-quality, sustainable window options that enhance your home while being kind to the environment.